Welcome, my name is Gwyneth C. Alcaba, and this is my learning portfolio presentation. After finishing the 5 modules of these RE courses, I will synthesize my learning experiences by answering the following questions. First is, what is my significant learning experience in each module that made an impact on me as a Letronite, as a member of my family, and the church, and the society? Throughout the different modules of this course, I gained significant learning experiences that shaped me not just academically, but also personally, spiritually, and socially. As a Letronite, each lesson reminded me that education is not only about knowledge, but about character and leadership. I learned that the importance of responsibility, integrity, and service that values Letran has always emphasized. These modules help me to understand that being a Letranite means striving for excellence while also becoming a person who contributes meaningfully to others. As a member of my family, the modules allowed me to reflect on my role at home and the importance of love, respect, and communication. I realized that my actions and decisions affect the people around me, especially the ones closest to me. Topics on relationship, self awareness, and moral decision making helped me to appreciate my family more and encourage me to be more patient, understanding, and supportive. I learned that true growth starts within the home, and the values I practice there will guide me in the inside and outside of the world. As part of the church, the modules deepen my appreciation for faith and spirituality. They reminded me that the faith is not only something I practice during Mass, but something that I should guide my daily thoughts and actions. I learned the importance of prayer, compassion, and discernment. The teachings about the foundation of Christian life and marriage strengthened me and my understanding of God's purpose for relationships, commitment, and community. These lessons inspired me to live out my faith more sincerely and to see God's presence in my decisions and interactions. Finally, as a member of society, these modules taught me that I have responsibilities beyond myself. I realized the importance of empathy, respect for others, and awareness of social issues. I learned that every small action, showing kindness, promoting fairness, or choosing what is right, can contribute to a more just and compassionate society. The modules encourage me to become more socially aware and to recognize my potential role in creating a positive change. And for the second question is, how was my four learning experiences during the semester? My four learning experience this semester has been meaningful and transformative. Um, through, Throughout the lessons, I gain a deeper understanding of my identity, my values, and my responsibilities as a student, a family member, and a future professional. The activities, reflections, and discussion help me to become more self aware and intentional in my actions. I appreciate how each topic connected not only the academic learning but also to real life situations, allowing me to reflect on my beliefs, relationships, and purpose. This course encouraged me to grow emotionally, spiritually, and socially, and it guided me in developing a clearer sense of directions. And that's all. Thank you.